Welcome. If you want to make sure that only the followers you follow back can reply to your Instagram stories using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. This new update gives you more control over your story interactions, helping you create a more personal and engaging experience with your closest followers. Let's walk through each step together. Start by opening the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the latest features. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal dots or lines. Click on this icon to expand more options. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage all your privacy and interaction preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Message and Story Replies. Click on it to open up the options that control how people can interact with your stories. Now, find and select Story Replies. This section is dedicated to deciding who can respond to your Instagram stories. You'll see several choices, but for this guide, you'll want to select followers you follow back. By choosing this option, you ensure that only the people you follow back, those you have a mutual connection with, can reply to your stories. This setting is perfect if you want to keep your story replies limited to your inner circle, making your interactions more meaningful and private. It's a great way to encourage genuine conversations without opening up replies to everyone who follows you. Once you've made your selection, your changes are saved automatically. That's it. You've now set up your Instagram so that only the followers you follow back can reply to your stories, all from your PC. Enjoy a more tailored and secure interaction with your audience and make the most out of your Instagram experience with this new update.